Hello once again. Thank you for stopping by on my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at question number 21. This is a video in a multi-part series on answering non-calculator exam style questions. The topic here is vectors. We've been given a diagram and given certain details about the diagram that will be helpful to help us answer the question. The final question here is for us to find the position vector of M. But all of the details given before that would help us answer this question. So let's try to interpret these details onto the diagram. Thank you for stopping by. Have you subscribed yet? Please do. All right. In the diagram, O is the origin. OT equals 2TD. What does that imply? If O is the origin and OT is double of TD, it means that if I was going to think in terms of proportions, this is 2 portions and this is 1 portion. You don't need to do more than that for now. Just stay with me. Up next, we're told that M is the midpoint of TC. If something is the midpoint, it means it is halfway through. It means that the entire line has been split into 2 parts and each part is equal. So again, in terms of proportions, this is going to be 1 portion and this is also 1 portion. OC is said to be C and OD is said to be D. Let's start with OC. Excuse me. OC is the vector right here. So this entire length, we are told that it is C. While OD, we are told it is D. Now, so if the entire length is D, it means that this total length has been split into 3 parts. OT is taking 2 parts and TD is taking 1 part. So I could say that OT is going to be what? 2 over 3D and TD will be what? 1 over 3D. I hope you understand that. All right, so we have been able to interpret the details provided for in the question on the diagram. This is crucially important because this is the only way you will be able to make sense of the diagram and eventually answer the question. Now, the question, like I said earlier, is find the position vector of M. The position vector is the vector that originates from the origin. So what they are asking us is, what is that vector that starts from O, which has been given as our origin, and ends at M? So we have this. This is the vector we have been asked for, vector OM. All right, so it starts from O and it ends at M. Now let's get right into it. When you want to answer a question on vectors, the first critical thing is for you to identify your path. This question is asking us for vector OM. And what you need to think about is, how do I go from O to M via known paths? How do I go from O to M via known paths? There are 2 options here. I could start my journey at O and then go to T, and from T go to M. So option 1, it could be OT plus TM. I'm starting my journey at O, make a quick stop at T, and then complete my journey at M. The other option will be for me to go from O to C and C to M. OM could also be given as OC plus CM. Personally, I would choose to take the second option. Why? I think it's easier. Remember, this is a timed examination. Nobody is going to give me extra marks for having so much work done. All that needs to be seen is that I understand what I'm doing and I am achieving the result in the best, quickest time. So I'm going with option 2. I'm going to start from OC and then CM. OC is given obviously here, and that is C. So vector OC is C. But what about CM? This is the tricky one. How do I go from C to M? Remember, originally we looked at the diagram and we noticed that we were told that M is the midpoint of TC. So it means that I need to find what TC is, all right, or find what CT is, and then go halfway. I hope we understand. We go halfway between CT is what is our CM. So CM is equal to half of CT. Still, I don't know what CT is. I'm going to find that out now. How do I go from C to T? CT, to go from C to T, I will need to go CO plus OT. CO plus OT. What is CO? CO is the opposite of OC. So if OC is C, then CO is going to be minus C. And what is OT? We have established earlier that OT is 2 over 3D. Beautiful. Now that we know what our CT is, it's not CT we're really looking for. We need to find CM. But CM is half of CT. So CM is equal to 1 over 2 of minus C plus 2 over 3D. All right. Now we can come back and find our OM. OM is given by OC, which is C, plus CM, which is 1 over 2 minus C plus 2 over 3D. This is what OM is, but it's not been simplified. Remember, we're told to give our answer in its simplest form. So let's simplify this. This becomes, I open up my bracket, C minus 1 over 2C plus 1 over 3D. Because 1 over 2 times 2 over 3D is 1 over 3D. Okay, now this becomes C minus 1 over 2C, that is just C over 2, and 1 over 3D can as well be written as D over 3. So our final answer is OM will be given as C over 2 plus D over 3. All right, so thank you for watching. This is a full vector question. I kind of like the question. It requires a lot of details. All you need to do is don't panic when you see a vector question. Look out for the known path. The known path. How am I going to start and end this journey? Thank you for watching and see you in the next question. And the next question, we're going to be looking at this rather interesting one and some more. Surds, yes, surds. You don't want to miss it. Thank you. Bye.